Hello everyone, welcome to Web3 Education and Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to give updates on the Minswap. So basically Minswap, they have several new updates actually. The first one and the most important is a mint token. So their mint token now is a knife. So any of you, if you have the mint token, you can stake the LP token with a mint token and convert that to the mint token. So in order to do that, first of all, you need to have some mint token. They also have a conversion calculator to help you to calculate. For example, if you have this many mint token and you can select the LP, for example, ADA and min, and it's going to calculate how many mint token you should have in order to convert this number of mint token. But anyway, now I'm going to show you how you can do that, how you can select them. So you need to select the LP. Unfortunately, I don't have the LP here, so I do have the LP in the farming. So if you did the similar thing, you should first withdraw them. So I'm going to withdraw those LP. So while you are doing the withdrawal, it's going to claim the mint token as well. So if you have some rewards of the mint token, the withdrawal will also claim them. So let me first put my password. Okay, so now it's submitted and it will take some time. So once you withdraw this LP, you can go to the mint, and here you can select the LP you have, and then with those mint token, it's going to show you the next step, how you can stake them. So while we are waiting, I'm going to talk about another update from the Minswap. So that's a rebalancing mint farms. So they're going to add a new mint farm. So that's a copy ADA pair. So it's very interesting. They decide to add that based on the data. So the general idea is they try to add those pair that has higher volume, higher daily volume, but with less TVL. And I think it makes sense. So high volume, that means more people, they are trying to trade that. And if the TVL is kind of low, it's not very stable, right? So you want to attract more people to add the liquidity to that pair. And so this one, they basically calculate the 14-day average daily volume, and this is their new mean farm points. So overall, I'm going to just participate the mean and the ADA because the points of mean is still the maximum. Okay, now let's come back and we can refresh. Hopefully this one is done. Okay, so looks like the mean rewards has been claimed, but I still need to check whether that order has been processed. So I still need to check the LP. So the LP is still not there. Let's wait a little bit more time. Okay, now I waited 2 minutes. Let's check the LP again. So okay, so I do have my LP. So you can see that now with the mint token I have, actually I need to get all the mint tokens. So now you can lock. There are different ways, like you can lock for 135 days. That will give you the most boost. You can also do 90 days, you will get 2.1 boost. So I'm going to just choose the maximum because anyhow I just want to stake those LP. But if any of you want to get the LP back, if you want to withdraw that, so you can choose the 45 day, that's a minimum. Okay, so I'm going to get the highest boost. So I will just stake, and it will take a little bit time. Okay, now put the password and get it submitted. I think I still have some LP, so I will probably go here. I'm going to stake the rest of them. So we'll stake the rest of them, and it will take some more time and get those submitted. Okay, and so I think that's it. Oh, must have a signature. What is that? Sometimes they have error. You may need to try that again. Let's try that again. Hopefully this time it is working. So try that again. Okay, submitted. Okay, all right. I think that's all. That's all about today's video. So overall, I just show you how you can convert the meme token to meme token, and I also give updates about the rebalancing meme farms. Thanks for watching. This is Web3 Education Investment. Please subscribe or leave a comment if you don't want to miss any future videos. Bye.